To adjust the sensitivity of the alarm, press and hold down the unlock button, and as you're pressing down the unlock button, you're going to see the light go on, then it's going to go off, and then it's going to turn on again. When it turns on again the second time, then let go of the unlock button. Okay? Okay, now let go. Now press the lock button. Again, again, again. That's the least sensitive. Okay, again, this is the most sensitive, and you can keep pressing it 7 times to get to the least sensitive. So you have 7 sensitivity levels. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.